Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Fabulous. Can you share with us how everything went with your sales manager?
It went pretty well. They were very thorough in explaining everything and working out the finances and sizing and step-by-step process. They remained in touch with us pretty constant through the whole situation. So if I had any questions, I could get a hold of them and we figured things out. So
Amazing. Now, can you share with us the difference you've seen in your utility bills? I know you have had your panels on for a while now.
yeah, I don't have the exact numbers in front of me, but I would say it's cut down our electric costs by somewhere between 40 to 50%, maybe sometimes a little bit more depending on the how sunny it is out there and everything else. But on average, I'd say about 40 to 50%. Yeah. So we had years ago even upwards of $500 or more. I mean, and now we have probably in excess of $700 electrical bills. We've got an aerator for the pond, and we've got multiple AC systems, freezers, things that run quite a bit and use a lot of power. And every time we get a bill, it's a good chunk off. So yeah, I think we're doing all right there. So
That's great. And can you share with us why you chose to go with Green Home Systems way back then when you got your panels installed?
I will give it a shot. So I was actually off work at the time due to an injury, and it was just something that I kind of started thinking about, and they were easily the most informative and actually quite responsive as well. A lot of the other places I sent off either emails or phone calls to, and they either never got back with me for a while, where it was called Green Solar at the time, but they got right back a hold of us, and like I said, the communication was pretty constant through the whole thing. So that's one of the reasons why I went with them.
Great. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your feedback today. We definitely appreciate it. And thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.